Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best water line connector is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, but it's absolutely critical for keeping your ice and water flowing. Today, we're diving deep into the world of refrigerator water line connectors, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you avoid those frustrating leaks and drips that can ruin your day. We'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect connector for your fridge. Number 5. AQUA CREST Inline Water Filter. This AQUA CREST filter is incredibly versatile. It works with refrigerators, ice makers, coffee machines, and even RVs. It's compatible with many popular brands. Installing this filter is a breeze. It comes with fittings for various water lines, and you can install it with a simple twist. Make sure to insert the tube correctly to prevent leaks. Enjoy great tasting water for up to 5 years. The filter provides long-lasting filtration, offering significant value. It's a cost-effective way to improve your water quality. The filter uses advanced materials to reduce contaminants. It effectively removes chlorine, PFAS, and other impurities, improving the taste and safety of your water. The materials are BPA-free and lead-free. The package includes everything you need for installation. You'll find the tubing, fittings, and all the necessary components. It's a complete solution for clean water. What we like. This filter boasts an impressive 5-year lifespan, providing long-term value and convenience. It's also incredibly versatile, working with various appliances like refrigerators and RVs. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution for cleaner water throughout your home, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to install. Works perfectly. No leaks. Number 4. iSpring ICEK Ultra Safe Fridge Waterline Kit. Tired of cloudy ice and bad-tasting water? This kit connects your water filtration system to your fridge's ice maker and water dispenser. It provides crystal clear ice cubes and great-tasting water. Whether you have a reverse osmosis system or another type of water filter, this kit works. It's designed to deliver clean, filtered water directly to your refrigerator. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It comes with tubing, fittings, and a shut-off valve. Everything is included to get you started. Forget complicated installations. This kit features push-in quick connect fittings, so no tools are required. You can set it up yourself in minutes. This product is tested by an independent third party to meet NSF/ANSI standards. You can trust it to provide safe and reliable water for your family. What we like. This kit is designed for easy DIY installation, saving you time and effort. It seamlessly connects to your reverse osmosis system, ensuring crystal clear ice and great tasting water. If you are looking to upgrade your fridge's water quality with a simple setup, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. Fits like it should, easy to install, and no issues. Hooked up easily to my reverse osmosis unit under the sink. Whole process took about 30 minutes, including work in crawlspace. Glad that I did, as the quality of our ice increased tremendously. No more strange smell or taste. Number 3. Ice Maker Waterline Kit, Food Grade. Tired of inconvenient ice and water? This kit is designed to easily connect your refrigerator or RO system. It provides a simple solution for crystal clear ice and refreshing water. This kit works with most refrigerator brands and models. Whether it's a Samsung, GE, or LG, it's designed to fit seamlessly, making installation a breeze. Made with food-grade materials, this kit meets NSF/ANSI standards and is BPA-free. You can rest assured that you and your family are enjoying safe, pure water and ice. The push-in quick connect fittings require no extra tools. Clear instructions are included to help you complete the setup in minutes, saving you time and effort. The included accessories are built to last. You won't need to worry about replacements for years to come, ensuring long-term performance and peace of mind. The kit comes with a 25 feet 1/4 OD tubing, tees, a shut-off valve, fittings, and a compression fitting set. It has everything you need to get started right away. What we like. Made with food-grade materials, this kit ensures your water is safe and pure. It's compatible with most refrigerator brands, making it a versatile option. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install solution for your refrigerator, this kit is a great option. What people say. I was able to replace the line, and add a shut-off easily. The push-to-connect adapters were super easy to connect, and no leaks. Perfect for my 2016 Frigidaire Gallery fridge. Once that came in, we hooked everything up and the fridge was working 100%. No leakage and perfect connections. Parts work well, easy to install and no leaks. Number 2. Water line kit for fridge ice maker. This water line kit is designed for wide compatibility. It works with most refrigerator brands and models, including GE, LG, Whirlpool, Samsung, and Frigidaire. It's a versatile solution for your ice maker needs. The kit is perfect for various applications. You can use it to connect under-sink filtration systems, reverse osmosis systems, drinking water filter faucets, refrigerators, and ice makers. It's a comprehensive solution. The kit includes 25 feet of NSF-certified RO tubing. It's BPA-free, non-toxic, odorless, and tasteless, ensuring safe drinking water. The accessories are made of prime-quality materials. Installation is a breeze with the included professional tube cutter and quick connect fittings. No tools are required. The clear instructions will help you complete the job quickly and efficiently. The quick connect fittings offer easy DIY installation. Fast and efficient cutting avoids leakage caused by uneven cuts. This kit ensures a secure and reliable connection for your water line. The kit comes with everything you need for installation. It includes tubing, shut-off valves, adapters, fittings, and a tube cutter. It's a complete package for your convenience. What we like. This kit works with various filtration systems and refrigerators. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with effective leakage prevention, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy install and works great. Zero leaks. I have an RO system under my kitchen sink on an island and have wanted to run a line from that location to under my fridge for years. Finally I did it. Thanks to this kit I had everything I needed to get the job done. Used this to hook up my ice maker, worked great. No leaks, very easy to install, comes with all the connectors you can possibly need. Number 1. What's AquaLock, PL 3000, 1/4 push coupling. Introducing the What's AquaLock mini series. This fitting requires no tools for installation or removal, making your job easier. It works with various tubing types, providing a secure and reliable connection. Unlike traditional barb fittings, this one connects on the outside of the tubing. This design increases flow capacity, ensuring optimal performance. It also rotates under pressure for greater flexibility. The one-piece construction means there are no parts to assemble. Made from high-performance polypropylene plastic, it offers corrosion resistance and long-lasting wear. A unique O-ring guide protects the O-ring, preventing leaks. This fitting is ideal for various applications, including vibrating and dynamic systems. It's suitable for both hot and cold water, even behind walls. It's perfect for DIY projects and low-pressure fluid systems. What's AquaLock fittings are reusable and come in many configurations and sizes. The push-to-connect design allows for fast and simple connections without any tools. This particular model is a 1/4x1/4 OD coupling. Since 1874, we've been dedicated to providing innovative water solutions. Everything we design is made to keep water safer, cleaner, and more useful. Our diverse product line offers world-class, water-related solutions. What we like. This fitting offers tool-free installation, making it incredibly convenient. Its durable design ensures a long-lasting, leak-free connection. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution for your water line needs, consider this fitting. What people say. Cut the two ends square on the tubing and join them together with this. It fit perfectly. Very easy to assemble and with clear instructions. The water supply line is now good as new. This product made fixing it, without having to change the water line, a breeze. It was so easy to install and was fixed in about 10 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.